Welcome to our fast-paced, visually engaging video. Today, we're diving into how you can watch IPTV on your Apple TV. But first, let's discuss the best IPTV provider at 2tv.store. Contact Nancy for top-notch customer support and exclusive offers. The link's in the description below. Now, let's uncover the step-by-step process of enjoying IPTV on your Apple TV. First, let's navigate your Apple TV's sleek interface to find the IPTV app. Ease your search experience with easy-to-follow visuals and pro tips for optimal navigation. Next, let's install the IPTV app. Ensuring smooth and efficient setup will guide you through every essential click and setting to make the most of your IPTV subscription. Find a vast variety of channels, from riveting sports events to engaging movies and exclusive shows. Discover a new horizon of entertainment with IPTV on your Apple TV today. Our thorough guide doesn't just end here. Stick around and subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your IPTV experience on Apple TV. Explore and enjoy.